All right, welcome guys. That last stream, I accidentally clicked stream. I don't know when I clicked it. I don't know how I clicked it, but it's been running. It ran for 30 minutes before I noticed. Hopefully this one is we're up, we're good, and I think we're ready to go. All right, so what's the plan? Right? We got Clash Royale. Uh, right? You know Clash Royale. It's like it's game, right? Um, and pretty much pretty much it's I want to make a bot, right? I want to make a bot and I hope that it reaches ultimate champion at some point. um so what have I done? To prepare for this? First of all, I went on RoboFlow and I got myself a little image recognition thing for the cards. So if I have something like this, right? If I show a picture of this, it'll identify Ice Golem. Wait, Ice Golem. Ooh, it's not very accurate, is it? Yikes. All right. Why is everything Ice Golem? Is it just improperly labeled? Uh-oh. So are we just fucking lying? Are we just lying about the accuracy? Let me look at the data set real quick. Don't tell me I'm gonna have to make my own Dark Prince. Okay. So if I have a picture of Prince in Clash Royale, right? If I have a picture of Dark Prince, why did it give me Ice Golem for everything? This is not supposed to. Great way to start the stream. We also have this one, which I was hoping would have better results, but it only recognized the skeletons. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to figure out a way to label hundreds of thousands, not hundreds of thousands, but just thousands of images. Probably tens of thousands. Let's be real. Let me do. Okay, let me try fucking starting hand. So if I go like this, and I go, does he have Dark Prince in there? No, he does not. Let me try doing one of these actually. If I go like this, right? And then I go into card detection and I go back. Ooh, let me just go back here. And then let me try this model out real quick. And throw this in. It doesn't detect any of them. Wow, this model sucks dick. Why is everything firecracker? Okay. Yikes. This is bad. This is not how I imagined it going. That took 12 hours to train, by the way, according to RoboFlow. Like a combined 12 hours. This one was 4. No, this one was 4 hours, and this one was 7 hours. This one seems to be a little bit more accurate than the other one. It's still utter dog shit. So I might have to collect a ton of data, which I really don't want to do. I really don't want to do this because this one's clearly improperly labeled. If everything's coming up as like, there's no way this is this accurate. There's no way. I refuse to believe it. It's just not true. This is just fake. These are fake numbers. Wow. Okay. Well, let me try something like. Let me try something like this. Will this recognize as Dark Prince? I would fucking hope so. Right? I would fucking hope so. Dark Prince, 95%. Oh, so it can't recognize it in the overall scale because it's only looking at the small images. Oh no. This is bad. This is real bad. All right. How can we fix this? We could either A, play 50,000 hours of Clash Royale and just like low key, that might not even be the worst idea. Um, the issue is it might not recognize every troop in the game. Let me see. Royale, Robovision, Vizon. Can't spell for shit. All right. Yeah, this is what I'm trying to replicate here, but okay. Let me just use this model. Yeah. Let me just try. Yeah. Yep. Bum 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 bum. Da, 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 da. Create workflow. I don't really want to create workflow. I just want to download the model, just the model. Okay. So if I try to throw this in, let's see what it does. If I throw this in, please tell me it labels it. Model not supported. You may have to try a different configuration of classification. Okay. I don't know how any of this works. I'm not gonna lie, but we'll see. Why does it not want to label it? That is my question. Why does it not want to take in my image and classify it? Let me ask AI. let's see what it cooks up. They could. Oh man. I wonder why does my taskbar always show up? Can I hide my taskbar? Windows. It just randomly popped up and it won't go down. Right click on an empty space and type for slide test for anything. Check the box to automatically hide taskbar. Okay, so why does it not? Why does it not hide the taskbar? I clicked the box that says automatic. God damn it! Look at this shit. It doesn't. All right, you know what? I'm just gonna deal with it and go on to cause like I can't press these. I don't know what I just pressed. What did I just press? Let me try F11 maybe. Ah, okay. Whatever. We're just gonna run it with F11. The error indicates that the specific classification model. Your workflows currently specifies the classification block. Yes, sir. Yeah, I can see the chat. How's it going? How's it going? Hey, you got 50 XP. You're a top fan. Look at that. How you doing, Eric? How's it going? There is a slight delay. I think I have like a 30-second delay, so I can crash the studio in case, or crash the stream in case I leak my like social security number or something like that. Hell yeah, that's good to hear. All right. You worked with how to fix. Yes, please. All right. So how do I change this? How do I? No models found. New model. Uh, uh, what? Updating workflow. Oh, will it update the workflow for me? That'd be sick. That'd be fire if it can upload Update the workflow. Because if I can export this and put this on my computer, we are chilling, because then it can identify basically the steps right now. What I'm trying to do is, let me just draw this out. It's so much easier. Where'd my pencil go? My pencil is gone. It is, no, it's not. I never lose anything. All right. So the job is, somebody's trying to call me. Somebody's trying to call me. Who is this? Who is this? Who is trying to call me? Oh, Ethan Elliott. Uh-oh. Let me see what he wants. Hello, how's it going? All right, sorry about that. A friend called me and he needed help with something. I need to send a message real quick to Jonathan. Oh my god. Add Jonathan. My friend creating an Amazon account for club. Can you help him out? All right, cool. Nice. All right. Here we go. Where was I? Where was I? I think I was talking about. Oh yeah. The plan. Here's the plan. We have the Clash Royale game, right? From there, the computer can't really see anything. I mean, there's characters here, but it doesn't know that there's characters here, right? So we have a vision model that just goes through and it goes, okay, this is a character, this is a character, this is a tower, this is a tower, this is a tower, this is a tower, right? Then it feeds that down into an machine learning model, right? That then, oh yeah, also I forgot, you got your characters here. It labels the characters as well, like what you have in your hand. Then it goes into a machine learning model that clicks on the character, like it looks at this entire thing, and it sees that there's squares here. It knows what's in its like hand, and it knows where the towers are, and it kind of has a rough idea of what's going on. So then it can go and say, I want to play slot 1 and place it at coordinates x, y. Right? And then it clicks on slot 1 and places it at coordinates x, y. Right? That's the general gist of it. The issue is we need a couple of things for this to work out. We need to know if it's enemies, if it's friendlies, and what type, right? So if there's a skeleton army, you're not going to play a P.E.K.K.A, a big heavy unit, right onto a skeleton army, right? And if it's one skeleton, you're not going to defend that with a rocket, right? So it needs to know what type of enemy, it needs to know how many enemies there are, and it needs to know roughly what's going on. Now, right now, we're going to focus on creating the data set that can see this. We don't need it to make decisions just yet because that takes a lot of time and it takes a lot of energy, computing power to train the model to do that. So for now, we're just trying to see if we can get a classification model going. Workflow updated. Let's see if it works. Running error. Model will not be supported configuration. Try input. Okay, let me go back. There are models already. I've been playing around with them, and none of them work. This one doesn't work. Like, for example, let me show you this one. Like, technically, it detects the objects, right? It doesn't detect them here. Let me do confidence threshold of 1%. Still nothing. Let me go here. Does it detect anything? It detects the Sparky with a 90% confidence, right? But it can't detect the Lava Hound or the Ice Wizard. Now, the issue with this is there are so many cards, and I'm going to have to label every single one by hand like 20,000 times if I want to make my own data set. That's why I'm trying to avoid this at all costs. If I can figure out how to do this without having to spend a good 2 or 3 days sitting there doing nothing but labeling, I will do it. But so far, I'm a little bit unsuccessful. Where is... I don't want to search projects. I want to go back to... Get me back to where I was. There it is. So, like, see, this is what it's ideally supposed to do. Show everything. Like, oh, that's a giant skeleton. That's a fucking... what's his face? Royal giant, right? But the issue is it's not. Just want the model. Let me try building my own. Detect and classify. Classification model. Sure. Let's try this. Because it's just not working, right? Like, is this the same thing? Let me test workflow. Enter image. Boom. If I go to like Clash Royale gameplay, this is Clash Royale gameplay, right? Maybe it needs the full image for it to work. I would hope not, right? Because that'd be kind of stupid if it needs the whole image to detect the characters. Yeah. All right. Clash Royale gameplay. If it can detect images, let me go to images. Let me get some. Give me full screen. Yes. Can I please just save image as Clash test. Now if I go here, select a file, let me go downloads, Clash test, and run it. Let's see. Fingers crossed it works. Classification model. A single label classification model. Include in your workspace. Make sure you have a valid classification model. All right, so it's just smoking crack. All right, let's see. The data set. How is the data set? Oh no. Oh no. Okay, never mind. This is a bullshit data set. It's kind of useless. Clash Royale troop detection. Troop detection. All right, there we go. Oh, my stream thing is bugging out. It is not liking this. Let me try reloaded. Please tell me we're still live. I think we're still live. Nice. Hell yeah. All right. Cool. This one seems to be real. Okay. Low key. What if I just combine several? I could just combine several data sets together. All right, let me use this data set. Actually, no. Clone data set. Oh, but they labeled it differently. They all label it like this one's CAN card BT tower. The other guy has it labeled as what is he has? He has it labeled as something else. Fuck, I really don't want to do this myself. Wait, I have an idea. Why is it loading so slow? I made a Clash bot. All right, let's see what this guy. I wanna see his data set.
So then I use doc.
Because I think I could do it a lot better than him if I could just. He didn't post the data set. He didn't post the data set. All right. Okay. Let me try this. I could just make my own data set. I'm not gonna lie. I really don't want to. I really don't want to. Clash Royale. Image detection model. I really don't. Dude, this is. Advanced filters, image count. Let me do minimum of 2,000. 20,000. No, 2,000. Apply. This. Ooh. Okay. Open link a new tab. Let me get that 8,000. Clash Royale enemy cards. Clash Royale bot. Instant segmentation model. YOLO V8. That's exactly what we need. Okay, so the YOLO V8 model is the thing that like does this labeling thing very well. All right, let's hope these two aren't smoking crack. Okay, so let me delete this. I'm gonna keep both of those. We got to here. Delete. I don't need these two. I only need these. Yes. That's what I need. All right. Okay. Archers and a baby dragon. Looks like they have, I think, all of it. There's no evos here, but I doubt we're gonna have to deal with evos for a while. Clash Royale card detection by vision bot. Okay. Use this data set. Fork this data set. They do have evos here. Okay. Okay. Let me fork that and then please tell me I could just use this model. Detect, count, and visualize. Count the number of detection. Please tell me this works. Please. Alright. God, I think it's the same thing. Test workflow, select file, downloads, clash test. Unknown server error. Well, isn't that fucking glorious? All right, now we're just getting an unknown server error. And in app. Click through robot for platform. I really don't want to run through API. Wait. Does RoboFlow API money? Because I think it does. I would hope it does. 1,000 free inference calls per month. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna have 30 seconds. I can play 2 games, and then my API usage will be paid. In app. Let's browse live. Batch processing. I don't. Without API. I want to use it just on my computer. Overflow provides you access to the collection of feature models. I'm gonna have to train it myself. Okay, so that's gonna be a problem because, why would that be a problem? Let me test this. Doesn't work. All right, dynamic crop. Okay, I'm gonna have to train my own model on RoboFlow, of course. I'm not about to fucking do all that myself. We have enemy troop detection, but we don't have friendly troop detection. I could split it up into 2 models. Wait, I'm getting lost in my links here. I'm getting lost in the sauce. Clash Royale, all enemy cards, computer vision model. Let me go back to here. Am I stupid? Class is 0, Archery, Bat, Chevalier, Gargoyle, Giant, Gobelin Lances, Mini P.E.K.K.A, Musketeer, Squelette, Valkyries, Sappy. Okay, I'm not using that one. It's made by a French man. Not that I have anything against the French. This one, Arrows, Archer, Baby Dragon, Balloon. Let me see Balloon. Oh, wait, never mind. Evo Zap, Evo Wizard. Okay, so that detects those things. Alright, so again, I need this into my Clash Royale. Okay. And this one is already in there, right? Oh, no. Wrong one. Wrong one. Alright. So let's see. What do we have here? What can we do? So I've used all my credits until October. Training the 2 models yesterday that turned out to be shit and ass, respectfully. Per page, 200 per page. Let's just see this one. Low-key, this is good because I don't want it clicking on ones that aren't ready, you know? And these seem to be like cropped and stuff, so I think I'll keep it I don't have to do data augmentation for this one. This is good. Yeah. Oh, it does have all of these though. But I think it will learn to wait for. Wait, this actually. I might be wrong. This might be actually pretty good because it checks the. Like it'll know what it has in its hand and it'll know if it should wait or not, right? So yeah, all enemy cards model computer vision. I wonder if I can add images to here, because if I can add images, this is not bad at all. If I can not label 4,000 images and just label an extra so I don't have to label 10,000. Instead, I only have to label 5,000. Only. Right now let's. So we can't do anything about that for at least today. What can we do? We can make it look on the computer and move my mouse around and stuff like that, right? So what we can do is, what can I do? The machine learning model I can't really set up. I can look. Okay, I can. Okay, let me do this. Let me open up Clash Royale because I'm just going to be running it off my computer, right? So, so what we can do right now without the model is, if we go back to here, we can, where'd my pencil go? Here. We can do this, where we have like our game screen. Here's our cards. Right, here's enemy towers. They look a little something like that. Here's the bridge, right? Bridge. And then our towers. So what we can do is we can start labeling like card slot 1, card slot 2, card slot 3, 4, and 5, and then where you can place them. And that should keyword teach us or help the AI see where to put stuff. All right, so let's label this as locations where we can click and do stuff. All right, so yeah, we need PyAuto GUI, time, CV2. Do we need CV? I don't think we need CV, because OpenCV works, but it's more of comparing two images. It's not, oh, why is this? Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. My stream name is wrong. Change, fuck. Why did it default to that? I literally spent like half an hour changing it. Oh no. Oh no. Creating a clash bot that will reach ultimate champion, episode 1. I got this. All right, save. Fuck. This was bad. I misclicked, or I. Let me see how the stream looks. I feel like it looks like garbage. Yeah. Okay, it does look like garbage, but low-key, it's fine. Look like garbage, but low. Whoops, I opened my own stream. All right, let me close that out. All right. Okay, import PyAuto GUI. Now let's look at Clash Royale real quick. Here's what it looks like. I am a stinker, I know. Let me just flex real quick, Oh no, I misclicked. Oh no. Oh no, I misclicked. Oh, silly me. I misclicked. I misclicked. Oh no. Yeah, but let me go to classic 1v1. All right. So, we need to take a picture of this so we know where the battles button is, right? Um Then we also need to take a picture of after we win or lose or whatever. After that, we're gonna have to click on the play again thing. Da 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 da. We'll do one of these. Let me just. Oh, he's a stinker. All right. I think I lose the game. I'm just gonna forfeit real quick. Da 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 da. I really don't want to let this guy win, but yeah, I just will. Da 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 da. Boom, 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 boom. Good game. All right. So, ooh, this is actually going to be good, like testing screenshots. Oh, he plays Giant Skeleton too. Hell yeah. All right. We got some screenshots of this. Now let's get some screenshots of. Oh, I need to get tower down as well. Okay. I think that should be enough for now. Yeah, let me go back here and import the images that I have. I don't. Screenshots, scroll all the way down. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. All right. So now I have our data sets. Yeah, I guess data sets it is. Yeah. Reference pictures. All right. Boom. Oh, I forgot. Oh, I forgot I have to drop these into here and then they'll be move. All right. Why is it dataset slide? This is why this is the one thing I really hate about VS Code. No. All right. So if I go boom reference pictures. All right. Boom 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 boom. All right, cool. Move. All right. Now, let's see. So we have our reference pictures. God, I hate how it's still I hate how it's like zooming in, you know? Like why is this taskbar not going down? How can I make this taskbar go down? Taskbar settings. Virtual touchpad, touch keyboard. Okay. There we go. Oh, apparently I just had to click Windows this whole time. All right, cool. So, what are we trying to do? Right. That's right. We're trying to find out. Bum, 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 bum. First of all, how much elixir we get. We need to find out the cost of the card, right? Or actually, I feel like we can learn that on its own. I don't know. The issue is I don't know if I want to make it run efficiently or if I want to just make it run and then have it just learn for a very long time. Right? So let's see. let's see, how do I want to do this? So we'll have a little box right here for tower health. Um, okay, this is gonna be hard. How do I want to do this? I could make this. I think I'm overwhelming myself. Let's start with something simple, and figure out how to count elixir. So let me just figure out. Ooh, wait. I remember there was a Python script to tell where the cursor is. Py.GUI. All right. Let me copy this. Boom. Let me do another one down there. Terminal, new terminal. Pip install py.GUI. All right. Cool. Okay, that's taking a while. Nice. Nice. Okay. So now what do we want to do? We want to oh wow, that's going for a while. That's still going. Is it ever gonna stop? Okay, so what I could do is I could try to. I think I'm just gonna hard code the values for Elixir. So it's gonna kind of look at my screen and then just say, oh, if this is purple, that means you have Elixir, this much Elixir, and it'll be like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Because what are the parameters I want to make go into there? I want to know my for choosing a troop. I want to know uh troop cost, elixir currently, and yeah, that's about it. Troop cost and elixir current. Troop cost, it can learn by itself. Elixir current needs to be shown. All right. Nice. So if I run this, no module name, py.GUI. Okay. Control Shift P. Okay, so I go Control Shift P. Create environment. Choose venv. I want 13.3. Okay. Creating virtual environment. Okay. We'll wait for that. We'll wait for that to cook up, and then we're gonna. What are we gonna do? We're gonna install Pi Auto GUI. Woo! All right, let me. Okay, so if I go terminal, new terminal. Clashbot. Ooh, it's active. Let's go. All right, so if I go pip install Pi Auto GUI. Now, there we go. Did that work? Why is this not working? GUI not work. Oh, get the fucking get the sass on this. Got it. You're switching topics now, man. I'm just trying to figure out why PyAuto GUI doesn't work. Pip install python.m. Let's try this. How do I do this? How do I do this shit, man? This shit does not want to work. Let me try this. Will this work? All right. Well, PyAuto's GUI is still not there. Let me restart. Everything. Lucky, let me close it down and open it up again. Maybe that'll help. This shit is not going well. This is gonna be a very, very long series. I can already tell you. It's just gonna go on and on and on. Ooh, come on. Oh, did it suddenly start working? Python environments. Are you just not gonna give me a Python environment? Yeah, that's fine as well. No, you can. Python 3.13 recommended. Let me go with the recommended one. PowerShell. Let me open up a new terminal. New terminal. Okay. Pip install PyAuto GUI. Do you want to... Already satisfied, already exists. Okay. Oh, make sure you activate it before running Python. Okay. Oh, good God, this thing is pissing me off just a little bit. Alright, so I need to activate. Okay. Environment. Okay, so I can't. God. Let me run. Okay, fine. Let me create a, let me not Git. I want to create it here. I want to create a Python dot test dot py. Are we just gonna work now? Okay. Okay, I guess we work now. Okay. Da 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 da. Let's say da. If keyboard is pressed Q, print, no, print, print, let's do W. If keyboard is pressed W, then it will do print, format of X, Y with a comma in between. Format. Right? Hopefully this will work. All right. Control C. Let me exit. Run it again. All right. Let's see if this works. What the fuck did I just open? Pip install keyboard. Did that work? Not break. I don't want to break. No, I just wanna. All right. If you press W, let me do X, Y, and okay. Okay, this is going good. This is going good. Let me go to my boom, press W. Let's see. Oh, I can't fucking tell. Let me Control C. And then if I run it, 514. Why is it pressed? I don't know. All right. Let me do Control C. Run it again, and then let me go here. So this will be our battle, and then okay, I'm gonna have to run another sacrificial game. All right, so we've got battle. I gotta remember this. Let me write this down. It goes battle. Battle. Then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Elixir 1 through 10. Card slots 1, 2, 3, 4. Reserve. Cards 1 through 4. Reserve. Tower, king. Towers, king. Towers, king. I'm gonna have to redo this, but king times king first. And then board will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Board 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, nice. Do I lock in? Let me try this. Nope. Good game. All right. Whatever. We got what we came for. Okay. Cool. Let me make a little data set with boom. That's gonna be locations.txt. Boom. Let me go. Okay, so the first one is battle press button. The second one should be elixir 1, elixir 2, elixir 3, dash elixir 4, dash elixir 5. Why did it do that? Elixir 5, dash elixir 6, dash elixir 7, dash elixir 8, dash elixir 9. I know, riveting. All right, so yeah, that kind of makes sense. They're all on the same Y level. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 through 10. Then we have card slot 1, card slot 2, card slot 3, card slot 4, reserve, or next card. Then here we have what was that one? X98 was it 798? $798, 764. So somewhere like that. That seems wrong. Fuck, do I want to do that again? Cards 1 through 4. Never mind. Yeah, no, that makes sense. That makes sense because it's a little bit back and a little bit down. Yeah. Next card. Okay. Then this is a friendly tower left. Friendly tower right. King tower. Boom. Then this is board bottom left. Board bottom right. Board top right. Board top left. And then we got, oh, I did boards at the very end. Whoops. Huh. All right, I'm gonna have to redo this. I'm gonna just redo this. All right. So here's what I'm gonna do. One. Board corners. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, then 2 elixir, then 3 we're gonna go cards. 4 is gonna be a reserve slot, and then 5 tower health, this and it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, but the thing is, if we do it like, kind of like that, that's gonna suck. That's gonna suck because I can't. I'm gonna have to make. Goddamn, I'm gonna have to make a kind of an image recognition thing to find out what health my towers are at. Actually, fuck it. I might as well. Might as well. Going for gold, right? All right. So, I also have to do. Is there a play again button? Oh, is the play again only in ladder? Fuck. I don't want it to be only in ladder. I don't want to play a ladder game right now because I don't want to drop trophies. Fuck. Okay. Wait. Supercell ID. How do I log out? There was a way to log out. Switch accounts. I think it was. Alright, I'll do that later. I'll do that later, but I do have another account in which I can get that. Okay. And then OK button. Alright. Let's do this. Alright, let me restart my thing right here. Pilot as GUI, run this. Alright. Okay, so we got the play button. Play button is done. Okay. Now we need to get the board corners starting from the top left one. So top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. And then we need to get our elixir bar, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we need to do our cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reserve. And then tower healths. Oh, too late for that. And then I didn't do tower healths. And then OK button will be. I'm going to do the right side of it just in case there's a play again and an OK button. So I'm going to do right here. Okay. So we have the OK button and then we have crowns. I'll just focus on this for now. I'll focus on this for now. If we can get this going, then we will be good to go for at least a little bit. You know, just a tad bit. Please don't tell me I pressed W. All right, whatever. Well, we're about to find out if I did. Okay, we have this. Let me just do Control C. Okay, now let me Control C. Locations, boom. All right, nice. What if I do .csv? Yeah, I'm gonna do .csv. Rename. Oh wait, I can do it in like an Excel sheet or Google Sheets. Export it as a CSV, and then I won't have to do any formatting bullshit. All right, perfect. Trash, spam, recent, new. Let's make a sheets. Yes. All right. Boom. Coordinates, and then item. Or actually, let me do item coordinates. Item coordinates, and then let's go here, and then go like here, and then do Control V. 26. All right, cool, perfect. Coordinates. Oh, Control V. All right, perfect. Okay, so play button. Then we have top left. Then we got top right. Then we've got bottom left, bottom right, and I think left, bottom right. Then we've got elixir 0. Let me just go. I'm gonna label it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, did I click this twice? I think I recorded it twice. Yeah. We go delete row. All right. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Am I geeked? Gameplay. Let me see how many slots there are. I swear there weren't that many. I swear there's not. I didn't click 11 times. Page unresponsive. All right. Did my internet cut out? No, we're still live. We're still going. All right. Let's see. Let's see how many. Yeah. 1, 2. Where is that? No. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, there's 10 slots. So it starts at 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is this one? All right. 123.50. 1054. Okay, so this is clearly the elixir slots. This one's a repeat. Delete row. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then that's a repeat as well. So we can delete row. All right, nice. We can delete this row as well. We don't need 2 of those. All right. Now we have our cards 1, cards 1, cards 2, cards 3, cards 4, cards reserve, and we don't need cards reserve, honestly. I'll keep it for now. And then this is the OK button. Nice. Okay, file, export as CSV, download, TSV. That's not it. Download CSV, comma separated. That's cool. I didn't know that's what CSV meant. Can you show me this? Thank you. Get me off the main screen. All right, let's see. Okay, let's go back to here. So we have our locations.txt. We don't need this anymore. Let me delete this. We have our untitled spreadsheets. Let's go. Rename. This is going to be coordinates.csv. All right, cool. So now if we get it to move to coordinates. Okay, so this is just not working. I'm gonna close this for now. Let me make a auto test test.csv. All right, now if we make a simple script to move to these points, we can see if it actually works. Okay, so import, what is it? Oh, why did I make it pyautotest.csv? Wait, this is stupid. Rename .py. Now, I don't remember how to use pyauto. Actually, I think I can kind of guess. Where did my position? I can infer it. I I think. All right, import pyautogui. Import time, import keyboard. All right, now what we need to do is we need to move mouse based on CSV file, right? So we do, import pandas. That's what we also need to do. Import pandas, pandas as PD. All right, and here I need to go and get myself pandas installed on my computer because I don't. Pip install pandas. There we go. Now we can pip install pandas. Okay. Location or location data equals PD read CSV. $, move mouse to the first location. So we're gonna auto.move to. Okay. Duration equals 0. Time.sleep 1. Keyboard.press and press and release. Left click. Okay, so if I can oh, I formatted this so wrong. Okay. Let me okay, location X. I need to make this location Y, and then gotta make my data clean, because if my data is not clean, it's gonna explode. Wait, I wonder, can ChatGPT clean this up? Come on. Here we go. Can you clean? Row 1, X values. Does it start at 700? Yes, it does. Here's what I need to do. I need to go into here. bs.txt. Boom, boom. Okay, so I just need to go like that. Two backspaces, two backspaces, two backspaces, two backspaces, two backspaces. Low key faster than the other way I was thinking, so yeah. Guess AI is useful for something, you know? Who would have thought? Alright. Dude, if you're just joining, I hate to break it to you, it's not going too well. I'll be 100% honest with you, it's not going too well, but you know, I'm doing my darndest. Darndest? I don't know how to speak. Alright, location Y. Now we have our location Y variables. Basically right now what I'm doing is I'm just trying to make a bot, or I'm trying to make it know where the board is, if that makes any sense. So I used a simple script to tell me the XY coordinates of all the buttons and stuff. And I'm just trying to make a little test to make it run through those buttons and stuff to see if it will actually kind of understand where everything is, you know, like card slot 1, card slot 2, all that good stuff. So right now I'm just reforming my data because it came in wrong. And he's gone. And he's gone. That's fine. It's not that interesting of a stream anyways. Boom, 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 boom. Two different values. Okay. I'm gonna label this as just X and Y. This is X and Y. Boom, file, download as CSV, and we're gonna call this, what are we gonna call this? We're gonna call this clash chords, clashchords.csv. And then we're gonna take that into our boom, clashchords.csv. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? I think that's beautiful. All right, now we don't need this. PyAuto test. Yes. 0x. I like 0x y. And then that would be the x comma y. Okay, x y blah 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 blah. PyAuto GUI that move to XY direction 0. And then PyAuto press and release left click. All right, let's see. Is it gonna do its thing? Locations.csv. Oh, I need to do clash chords.csv. .csv. There we go. Run. Invalid index to a scalar variable. Okay. Data.alloc 0. Will that work? I forgot how to use pandas. Move to x, y duration 0. PyAuto GUI done. Move to x, y duration 0. All right, let's see if that works. Import. Okay, so not left click. So pyro.gui, pyro.click, button left. Oh, I don't even need to import keyboard. I don't need to import keyboard at all, actually. Pyro.gui.click, button left. Oh, hey, look at that. It worked. Oh, you know what this will be useful for? Uh-oh. Come on, let me stop it. Let me stop it. Let me stop it. Let me stop it. Did it stop? Okay. Okay. So, uh, da, 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 da. Keyboard is press Q. Import keyboard. Import keyboard, and then if person is going to break. Okay, so that's my emergency if shit goes really bad key. Now if I need to do time.sleep. Let me do 2. Time.sleep 5. So I'm gonna get 5 seconds to open up. Yeah. Wow, it just knows. Time.sleep 3. Alright. Now let me check if I got my coordinates correct. So if I run Alt Tab, press OK. That's the top right. Yep. Top left. Bottom left. Bottom right. Now it should go through the elixir. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, that's so slow. All right. Let me make this faster. I pressed Q. Let me out of here. Please. This is hell. Why did I make this 3? Let me make this like 1 or 0.5. 0.5 is good. And then how did that make the keyboard interrupt thing? Okay, try accept keyboard interrupt. All right. Try, and then I'll go boom. I don't like that it doesn't automatically indent all of this. And then try, and then I'll do accept keyboard interrupt. Okay, exiting. There we go. And then I'll press Control C to interrupt it. All right, cool. Let's run this back. Time.sleep 5. We need to wait for it to load in. All right. So if we run this, and I'll just let it go. All right. So it should click on battle. Yep. Now it's waiting. Boom, 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 boom. Yes. 3, 4, 1, 2. All right, nice. All right. Okay, let me. Do I want to play this? Not really. That's why I'm making the bot. So I don't have to play this. You're just running some bullshit, man. Mini peck at the bridge. Aha, he missed. Yep. All right, I'm just gonna go like this. Good game. All right, I'm just gonna let that play out. Let me run it. Okay, cool. So we have our locations done. Now, let's try to. Oh, let's try to find a way to read tower health. So I need to look at this number right here. Wait, when I lose a tower, does it appear as like a trophy thing? Okay, I don't want him to take my king tower just yet. Please take my small tower, please. I just want to see. Okay, are you gonna let me like... Are you gonna take my tower or are you just gonna sit here? Because I'm fine just sitting here. Alright. And... I need to get those done. Alright. So... Let's get our coordinates back up and running. And let me press OK. Let me run one more back. So I need to get my coordinates to... Good game. Alright. So I need to get my coordinate system ready. Is it up? Yes. It's up and going. Okay, so I need to get my coordinates. I need to blast through this shit. Alright, coordinates are working. Take my tower, please. Please, I'm begging you. Here, I'll make him play something down. There we go. Alright, cool. So he gets my tower. That's going to be 1. Okay, so that's just gonna 3 crown me, and I don't want to get 3 crowned. I want to, well, not yet, you know. I want to get 3 crowned, but I also want to find out the coordinates of that shit first. All right, so I'm not pressing the W button. Okay, I'm ready. Boom. That'll be 2. And then 3. Okay, so now we can evaluate how good the bot is doing, right? So if it is... Yeah, let me go like this. Boom, 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 boom. Control C. Clash chords. Okay. Tower lost. 1 tower lost. Comma. Dun 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 dun. Comma Y. And then we don't need this. Why did I put a dot? I meant to put a comma. Boom. Y, X, 2 tower lost. And then now we need 3 tower lost. 3 tower lost. Okay. And now I need to get the RGB values as well. I think that's the simplest way of doing this. So if I run through this, pada move da 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 da, RGB equals that. Da, 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 da. Okay, so location data columns X, Y, RGB. RGB. All right, cool. So now, all right, let's see if this works. So we only need the RGB data for like 2 of them, which is like losing a crown and getting that other stuff. Please tell me it's running. Is it running? I don't want to alt tab. Has it been 5 seconds? It has. It crashed. Okay. Okay. Location, data RGB equals none. There we go. I'm fucking geeked. All right. Now, it should automatically collect the data for me. Please. Yes. Okay. Are you gonna do something? Uh-oh. RGB dot get pixel. Please tell me it works. I just want to stall for a little bit. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No? No? Okay. That's fine. That's a-okay. That is a-okay. Why is it not working? Okay, so it clicked. It didn't crash yet. 4, 5. Is it gonna get the RGB values? No, it's not. Okay. Well, this is fine. This is fine. All right, let me go like this. Let me go like this for the giant skeleton. Or for the... Yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna boom, 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 boom. Oh, pillow. I don't want to install pillow. Oh wait, I have to. Fuck. Okay. Pip install pillow. Pip install. I hope that's the correct pillow. That'd really suck if it wasn't, eh? All right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's doing it. It's doing it. Okay. Did we? Okay, so that's just not gonna work. All right, watch me destroy this kid. Never mind, I'm getting destroyed. Let me go, boom, good game. Because it's not saving my RGB values. Data at index. Print. F, then we're gonna have we're gonna have boom 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 location. Oh no, I just want to go. I'm just gonna do print RGB. Print RGB. Let me try running this. Print RGB. Run Python file and then. All right, let's see what it does. Boom. Let me go like this. Oh, we've got like an E golem player, either an E golem or like just a bastard of a human, you know. All right, good game. Let me see. Okay. Location data at index RGB equals. Wait, index. Yeah, RGB equals RGB. So why? Location data. Let me try running this. Then make everything 0.01, 0.1 seconds. I want it to run fast. Yeah. Oh, why did I do that? Good game. Well played, and good luck. All right. Cool. That got me down. That got me dead. Done and dusted, you know? All right. Let's run it back. Wait. All right, let me do this. Times sleep. 5 times sleep. I need to make this like 7. Index RGB equals RGB. All right, let's do this. I wanted to click battle for itself, so I can also get the timing right. So I think I'm gonna set it to like 5 seconds. Cool down. Oh, that was a little too fast. That was a little too fast. Here, let me set time sleep to 0.2. 0.3. Oh, I'm not gonna have enough elixir. Here, let me do this. Mini P.E.K.K.A should cause enough damage while I run this. Five, four, three, two. Oh, I missed the last one. God, this pissed me off. Alright. Let me do this. Let me run it again. Oh, I ran it way too late. 2, 3, 4. Alright, I guess we're running it again. Holy shit, let me run this again. Except I need to go. Five, 6, 7. Nice, nice. I think I got it. Alright, good game. Well played. And good luck. Boom, 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 boom. The universal sign of giving up. Alright. Cool. We got our RGB values. Okay, RGB values. If I go like this. Oh, I can't do that. Oh, this is. Oh, wait. I have this on Google Sheets. Hey, if you're just joining, not really a good time. I kind of suck at this, and I'm still trying to figure it out. So, you're gonna be very disappointed in me, I think. What is this? Why is there 3 extra values? Oh, tower 1 lost, tower 2 lost, tower 3 not lost. Yes, that's why. That's why there's two extra values. Yeah, so what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to get my data. So I have Clash open, right? I'm trying to get my RGB values for each pixel so I can kind of tell what's going on. Or like the computer can kind of tell what's going on. Please let me copy this over into here. What did I just do? Alright. Whatever. I'm just gonna manually do this then. Okay. Tower 3 lost. Wait, 9-0. God damn it. I need to go like this, like this, like this, and then I can make my data. This really is, I think this is like the least, I think this is the worst way to do it. I'm not gonna lie. And then for this, we're just going to put 0 because we don't. This is incorrect. I'm going to have to redo that. Loki. What if I just. But the thing is, I need to get those tower crown. Oh, I could just take a screenshot. I'm actually stupid. I could just take a screenshot of that. X, Y, value. All right. Okay, cool. All right, let's see. Let's see. Okay. So if I go. Okay. Okay, let me do buff file, export, download as a CSV. If I download it as a CSV, then I will have it as. All right, ChatGPT. Boom. Split the RGB. R, G, and B without R, G, and B. All right, cool. And then B, and then also, do I have a screenshot of us losing a tower? RGB, and please find me the RGB value of the red part of the crown. Pretty please. Crowns underneath the text enemy. I wonder if we can do a combo response like this. Or it could corrupt all my data. Split GB values of this. Can you split the RGB values of this data set into 3 columns? Oh. Let me stop it right there. Stop it. And then let me do this. All right, I don't think ChatGPT is very smart. I hate to break it, but all right, you know what? We'll do that, and this is the RGB values for that. So with RGB, let me rename chords R Clash chords RGB, and there we go. Clash chords RGB. I'm gonna save those just in case. And then let me redo the last ones, which would be 193, 193, 178, and 78. And then let me ask ChatGPT what color this is, just so I can double check. Actually, I'm sure it'll be fine. Okay. So now I can do make it check if I lost a tower. I think that's the first thing I want to do. So let me make a new file. Lost a tower check. Actually, what's going on in the game check? What's up .py. I'm so tired. All right, I think I'm gonna do another half an hour of this and then call it a night. All right, import PyAutoGUI. Import time, import pandas as PD, import. Yeah. Okay. So, while true. Time.sleep1, and then I wanted to print tower loss detected. Wait, it's so smart. Is it actually listening to me? Is it listening to what I'm saying? Damn. That's insane. PyAutoGUI. Where's my 901? Yeah, 901. Yeah. Tower loss detected. If what was it? Let me comment. Let me do comment like this. If PyAuto do 184, 190. You have 1 elixir. Oh no, I should have to do a print if by the GUI. Alright. So I think I need to do starting from here and then if statements going back, because I don't want it to print every single time I like you have 1 elixir, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I only need to know the last one. I only need to know I have like 10 elixir, right? I don't need to know I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 elixir. Else if that's 1 above, let me copy this and hopefully it gets the memo. You have 10 elixir, 9 elixir. Let me do else if. Elif. Oh, it's elif. Elif 154 equals 18. God, I love technology. And then, okay, so that checks for elixir and tower lost. Time sleep. Yeah, let's do time sleep 0.1. 1. So every second it'll run through and check. If let me do a try except try and then I'll go let me do a try while true and then except keyword interrupt and then exit. Okay. Import time, why does it not like time? What does it not like about this? Okay, wow, this thing sucks dick. The fact that I have to go through and go like this for all of them. Woo-wee. Oh, true time, that's like 1. Interrupt. There we go. While true. Alright. Okay, let me start a game. Run Python file battle. True. Alright, so let me just play the game. And hopefully for oh, he's being an evil bastard. Alright. Okay, no, I understand it. Dude, it's okay. It's okay. We all have our moments, you know? Okay, he's saying good game. Like the absolute Nazi that he is. Boom. Okay. Let me try. Well played. He's probably gonna play Graveyard. All right, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna overcommit, and you're coming down. All right, so that's all of his bullshit on the right. Pretty much gone. Let me go like this. And that's that gone. Oh, okay, so I win. All right. Nice. Now let's see what it says. All right, let's see how well it counted. 8, 6, 7, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2 elixir, 3, 5, 9. Yeah, it looks like it's kind of good pretty efficiently. Let me see if it can time.sleep 1. Let me see if it can detect tower losses. I just didn't want to lose to that bastard, you know? I'm happy to lose to anyone but him. All right. Good luck. Good game. All right, so it should say 10. 10, 10, 10. I did run it. You have 8. Why does it say you have 8? It's clearly fucking 10, no? Or is it just perfectly synced up with that bullshit? I think it's just perfectly synced up. All right, let me play some. Let me play a little bit. All right. All right, I need to calm down. I need to calm down. I'm winning. I can't have that. All right, let me hit him with the game. All right. Will it detect a tower loss? Oh, I should have waited more. All right, well, we'll wait, and we'll see the results. And there we go. Good game. Okay, so it just doesn't see it. Pixel 109. Pi auto GUI dot move to boom. Move to there. Duration 0, 0. Time not sleep. Let me do 1. Yeah, I can just do Control C at any time. Okay, let me run it back. Let me run it back and see how it's going. Good luck. Oh, I almost typed out thanks. Let me do one of these and then run it. Okay, so is it gonna... Wait, elixir. Wait, why can't I move to 901? So why can't I, why is it not working? Hello? Did we run the program? Oh, that checks a little bit up. Here, let me do control C. All right. So the Y level, let's do 300. 310. Let's do 310, just a little bit down. All right, so it's still going. It's still going. It's still going. Yep. Yep. Okay. Okay. Still too high. Okay, so right now it's moving towards that line. Right up to the line. Now if I do 310. 310. So it was moving up to here. Yeah, now it's lower. Now if I do 300, will it be lower? Let me do... Let me do 100. I just want to see where it goes. Oh. Let me do 330 then. 330. That's too far down. Okay. 325. 325. I want it to be like right here though. $322. All right. Let's test this one more time. Let's Okay, let's do this one more time. I'm Spider-Man, you know? You know that one? Yeah, I know that one. Alright. It needs to... All right, let me lose a tower. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. Hell yeah. Did it detect it? Is it gonna detect it? I mean, might as well just lose the game. That's spot on. Spot on. Exactly where I want it to be. Still didn't detect it. Pi auto GUI dot. Let me see if this works. All right, let's run it back. Run Python file. Okay. Gonna be a whole lot of nothing until that tower goes down. Holy shit, Goblin Drill is genuinely kind of useless. Not gonna lie. Oh, never mind. It took my entire tower. Alright, let's see. And that's all I need. $62, $145. Can I get it just in time? LinkedIn wants me bad. Alright. Alright, cool. Now let's do Control C. Okay, nice. Tower loss detected. Nice. You have all right. Oh, I'm so tired. Okay. Oh. Let's see. Let's see what we had here. So this is can I please changes? Ah, there we go. Day 1. How many hours are we in? 2 hours and 15 minutes in. Day 1, 2 hours and 15. 2 hours, 15 min. All right, cool. That's about it. I'm gonna be, if you guys want to see the repository, I'm gonna leave it in the description. I'm actually gonna do that right now. Let me do that right now. If you guys want to check it out, I'm gonna be hopefully doing this at least once per day, even for like 15 minutes. I wanna work on this, and I wanna show you guys the process of me doing it. Clashbot, yes. By next stream, I'm gonna set up another Clash Royale account so we can start fresh, look at it from the very beginning, because I want it to go from the very beginning, and it won't have access to my cards, and star levels will make it look weird and whatever. So, um, yeah, here's my repository. I'm gonna put that in the description for you guys to visit. Story here. Save. All right, I'll see you guys not tomorrow or the 30th. Lucky probably next weekend. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna try to do this as often as possible, but most likely I'm only gonna stream on the weekends and let you guys know what I did over the week. Other than that, thank you all for joining, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.